Are you looking for the best knee pad in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best knee pads that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5. GForm Pro X2 Knee Pad for Work. Needs exact fit knee pads for both adults and youths? Well, it's high time to try out services by GForm Pro X2 knee pads. Offers overwhelming protection to your knees. Actually, it maps your body as it is thus protected during a huge impact. Also, the comfort and breathability factor makes it the best protective pad while you work. Think of it these: you get a knee pad that protects your knee region while maintaining its flexibility. It is none other than the GForm knee pads. Purchase these pairs if you want the best for your knee. At number 4. Besker Knee Pads for Work. You might buy knee pads that occasionally slip down your knees and behaves awkwardly while being held on your knees. They might also be so tight and leave you with a lot of pain when tired on your knees. Besker knee pads has come right on time to outdo such vices. They have adjustable straps with increased size, hence serve a wide range of sizes with the non-slip and extra security hook that ensures it does slide down your knees as you work. If you desire to stay cool and comfortable, then this is the knee pad to give a try. Besker knee pads are the most known pads that consider safety and comfort as a priority. The soft cushion and huge foam offer super comfort and support to your knees. Working is made easy with these pads since they do away with slippery working environments. The ergonomic design enables you to put on and take off the pads with ease. Pick these brands you wish for smooth working conditions. At number 3. Protteger Knee Pads for Work. Give your knee a protective shield unconditionally with Protteger knee pads. If your job involves long hours kneeling and later you are left with soreness and pain, then I'll suggest that you go for these elastic soft pads. Whether you are an expert or a newbie in gardening, landscaping, tiling, flooring, roofing, etc., Protteger guarantees you full protection against knee injuries. Protteger knee pads offer you the comfort that you need all day as you undertake your daily activity. Have these geared to protect all your knee delicate tissues in the maximum way possible. When you put it on, it tightens your knee firmly and fits securely, hence doesn't surge to slide down your knees. Try out these knee pads for marvelous results. At number 2. KZN Pro's Professional Knee Pads for Work. Are you a professional and your job needs the use of your knees every time? Obviously, I am sure you do struggle with knee pain every time you start working. Sure enough, I know you sometimes look around the house for something to place under your knee joint as you squat or kneel. Our professionally gel knee pads are the perfect solution to end all these difficulties. It delivers a great thickness gel foam, thus increasing protection and comfort. It is designed to be heavy-duty knee pads that ensure sufficient resistance is offered while shielding your knee against injuries and accidents. The other interesting fact about these pads is the fact that it remains intact and set in place while protecting your knees from injuries. This contributes to the knee's balancing and stability when crawling and kneeling. As long as you need something to protect your knees against injury, KZN Pros stands out as the best choice for knee pads. The durability is absolutely guaranteed. Choose this pair if you want long-lasting protection. At number 1. HONEYBULL Protective Knee Pads for Work. Have the best knee pads from HONEYBULL that enable you to conduct your daily activities that involve squatting and kneeling. They are very sturdy and offer a high level of protection to your knees. More interestingly is the padding that offers a super comfortable feeling. Their look seems light and you can easily move your knees with them with ease. The quick connections on the side are robust and the straps are not that flimsy. So long as you need something to protect your knee for any task you'll be doing, HONEYBULL knee parts are the choice. They are not terrain selective, so it is a good selection for electricians, gardeners, landscapers, mountain motor drivers, and many more. The other good factor about these knee pads is their durability and safety. They are made from strong nylon materials with neoprene materials that enables the pads to withstand hard task. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.